Ebungenene niko bono yachakire gukwandira umuswada uyu rigetie Koringori Obotumeki BW'EMITANDAO ane mono umtandao urio TikTok aiga sense ya Kenya engana ya OKOBOKO no mujumbe wense mu bunge West Mugirango mheshimiwa Steve MOGAKA uyu sabira abajumbe kobeka emiroberio yo Koringori amachiko yo Obotumeki BW'EMITANDAO eyo hase erikwanike gutanga Obotumeki obobe BW'EMITANDAO eyo
Kagukwana asamagacho yebungenene nigairo okoboko oroboti ororwekigwa ase bwesyo bwebunge ase aorokirie omogokoye ase bunge ya 13 ase oburayo buya yaorokirie ase miswada
Speaker, technology is an enabler of every service delivery and any technology, including the TikTok we are talking about, should only be regulated, not banned. And for that reason, I thank this committee for living with the times and for making the 13th Parliament a proud Parliament that would regulate any product that comes to this country rather than being selfish and slow-moving by thinking of banning it. When you look at other mainstream media, there is regulation through the Media Council. And as the mainstream media is regulated, so should be every media, including social media, including the TikTok. And I urge inventors, particularly those in social media, to rise to the occasion like the mainstream media rose and set up a self-regulation for themselves. It's unfortunate that it is Parliament now pushing for this regulation, meaning therefore that these inventors are not living with the times. I have noticed that we are saying the social media unregulated is only dangerous to young persons. Madam Speaker, I think bad content is bad no matter the age, because it is not a license that once you are an adult, you go exhibiting your nudities and what is done in bedrooms and splashing them in social